children, welcome back my little ones. So what we studied in the last class? Last class we studied about different body parts, isn't it? So today you are going to learn about internal organs and external organs. Okay, for that you just take your worksheet, take page number 189. Are you ready? Okay, just look at your worksheet. We all have external organs as well as internal organs. We all human beings have internal organs and external organs. Internal organs are organs inside our body. Okay, internal organs means what? That is inside our body. Example, brain, heart, etc. Okay, so internal organs are brain, heart, etc. So can we see the brain, children? No. Can you see the heart? Those are inside the body, isn't it? So that those are internal organs. Okay. Internal organs are organs inside the body. Example, brain, heart, etc. You got it? Next is external organ. Okay. External organs are organs which we can see or feel on a human body. Okay, so external organs are what, children? Which we can see. We can see eyes, then nose, ears, hands, legs, toes, fingers. We can see, isn't it? So those are external organs or feel on a human body. Feel means what? When you fall down, you will get hurt, isn't it? This is a kind of feel. Okay, examples are eyes, ears, nose, trunk, skin, etc. External organs are organs which we can see or feel on a human body. Okay, which we can see or feel on a human body. Examples, eyes, ears, nose, trunk, skin, etc. Okay. Skin is the largest organ of our body. And which is the largest organ in our body? Skin. Okay, you can see everywhere skin, isn't it? So skin is the largest organ in our body. Okay. And we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Okay. I'll tell you one more time. We all have external organs as well as internal organs. We all have external organs and internal organs. Internal organs are organs inside our body. Okay. So internal organs are inside our body. Heart, that's what, brain, heart, etc. External organs are organs which we can see or feel on a human body. Example, eyes, ears, nose, trunk, skin, etc. Skin is the largest organ of our body and we have 5 sense organs. Okay, children, some words were underlined. Those words you have to learn. Okay. Now when I am reading, you just repeat after me. Okay. Internal. 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 External. 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 Eyes. 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 Ears. 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 Nose. 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 NOSC. Nose. Next is trunk. TONGUE. Trunk. TONGUE. Trunk. Next is skin. 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 The last word is sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs, sense organs. S-E-N-S-E-O-R-G-A-N-S, sense organs. You just repeat after me, children. Internal, I-N-T-E-R-N-A-L, internal. External, E-X-T-E-R-N-A-L, external. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Sense organs, S-C-N-S-E-O-R-G-A-N-S, sense organs. Okay? You just repeat after me. Okay? Just keep your finger under each word and repeat after me. We all have external organs as well as internal organs. Internal organs are organs inside our body. Example, brain, heart, etc. External organs are organs which we can see or feel on a human body. Example, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. Skin is the largest organ of our body and we have 5 sense organs. Okay, how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Do you want to know the 5 sense organs? Okay, you just listen here. Here 5 questions were given. Okay, the answer was hidden in it. You have to answer it. Okay. Okay, find my name. Okay, you have to find the name. Okay, what is the first one given? The organ which helps us to see. So can you say which is the organ helps us to see? That is eyes, isn't it? So write that eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Say one more time. Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. The second one. The organ helps us to hear. Which is the organ help us to hear, children? That is ears, isn't it? Ears. E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Okay. The third one, the organ which helps us to smell. Which is the organ helps us to smell is nose. So, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. We can move on to the fourth question. That is, the organs which helps us to taste. Which is the organs help us to taste? That is tongue. Yes, very good, children. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The fifth question, the organ which helps us to feel. Which is the organs help us to feel? It's skin. So, S-K-I-N, skin. So, now we got 5 sense organs, isn't it? Which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Those are the 5 sense organs. Okay. The next one, circle the correct answer. Okay, it's very easy question. You have to circle only the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. The first question, Bennett took the toy car with his hands or nose. So, can you say the answer, children? Bennett took the toy car with his hands or nose? With his hands, yes. You just circle the answer. Hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Okay. The second question, Abey's skin or eyes are open, so he can't be asleep. Abey's skin or eyes are open, so he can't be asleep. What is the answer? Abey's eyes are open. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Abbay's eyes are open, so he can't be asleep. The third question, Sarah's mouth or neck was full of chocolate. Okay, what is the answer? Sarah's mouth or neck was full of chocolate. What is the answer? It's mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Sarah's mouth was full of chocolate. The fourth question, always brush your ears or teeth before you go to bed. What do you have to brush, children? Always brush your ears or teeth before you go to bed. What is the answer? Is teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Always brush your teeth before you go to bed. The last question, we should always keep our body dirty or clean. We should always keep our body clean. Yes, very good, children. Okay, I'll read the question and answer one more time. The first one, Bennett took the toy car with his hands. The second one, Abbay's eyes are open, so he can't be asleep. The third one, Sarah's mouth was full of chocolate. The fourth one, always brush your teeth before you go to bed. The last one, we should always keep our body clean. Okay, children, so our lesson is over. What you have to do is, you have to read the whole lesson thrice, and page number 188, you just read the lesson and underline. You have to learn the underlined words and then study the body parts. Okay, body parts you have to learn, and then in page number 189, the underlined words you have to learn, and also the 5 sense organs you have to learn, and which are the external organs, which are the internal organs, and then what the 5 sense organs you have, which are the 5 sense organs, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Those you have to learn, and the last one you have to read it. Okay, and see you in the next class. Bye.